Hey, what's going on, traders? It's Will. In this video, as you can see in the title, we're going over how to use the RSI indicator while using the Robinhood Legend platform. So I'm here in Bogota, Colombia, actually visiting because my wife has a music event. So I have a few spare moments to shoot some videos, breaking down this new platform and also showing you guys how to use the RSI. I'm going to demonstrate here on my computer exactly how to set up your indicators and use the Robinhood Legend platform. So the first thing you're going to do is get Robinhood Legend. You have to have a Robinhood brokerage account. And as you get into the platform, it's going to look really simple if you haven't set anything up. We're going to set it up really quick. I'm going to drag my watch list over here to the left. Now I have that. I can click add widget, and then I can add my chart right here. And if I also want to add anything else like my recent orders or positions, I can do that. For the purpose of this video, I'm just going to show you guys the RSI. So the RSI is indicator. So you're going to click over here in indicators, and you can actually add an indicator. So we're going to select the RSI. So the RSI, let's just take a look at a simple Google definition. So an RSI is a relative strength index. It's a momentum indicator that measures recent price changes as it moves between 0 and 100. In most cases, they use 70 and 30. So 30 indicating when it's a buy opportunity and 70 when it's a sell. So for example, here with the RSI, you can see that if it's here around 30, then it's going to be a buy, and up here it's going to be a sell. And this indicator essentially will help you to be able to identify if it's overbought. In this case, you'd probably want to sell, and if it's down below, you'd be looking to actually buy. It's fairly accurate. See, you can tell the strength of a stock and see exactly when you might want to potentially purchase or potentially be looking to sell. So we could take a look over here at NVIDIA, and you can see pretty clearly, like for example, right here, it's going to show a buy opportunity as it's overextended on the RSI, and being at that below 30 mark is a good potential purchase time. Now, same thing up here. When it peaked out at 138, it actually was showing that it was overbought, and that would have been a good time to sell. Same thing over here. As you can see, it's down here by 30. We saw it push up and reach above 70 on the RSI if you look right here, and it peaked out and it indicated that it should be a sell. And then it continued down, and then now actually showing signs of potentially being a buy as it pulled back, not all the way down to 30, but still something to consider. It's hopefully helpful for you guys to be able to know how this RSI indicator works. It's basically showing how strong the direction of the stock is and whether or not it's overbought or oversold. We actually called out in StockMates yesterday that TSM was potentially going to push up. You see it had sold off aggressively. If we zoom out a little bit here, it had sold off aggressively for a consistent amount of time. We saw it sell off quite a bit here, as you can see today, and it was pretty clear indication that it was a good time to sell. So, here was a good time to buy if you got in and you took advantage of this TSM. It's a semiconductor company providing microchips for NVIDIA. Then you would have sold right here at the top, and then potentially, if you were looking to buy down here, then that would be something that I would have increased in value up to here. Now, if you needed to edit your indicator at all, you can always click here. You can edit the RSI and its settings, and you can also add any other indicators over here on the right side. And of course, if you want, you can even have a template, as I have here. This is my full technical template. It actually shows, basically my moving average, my EMA and my SMA, so I can get a good idea of the overall direction. And then I have my RSI here, as well as my MACD, which can also help me determine whether or not it's a oversold or overbought stock. So that's kind of like a breakdown of the platform. It's a great indicator to use. For those of you guys that would like to learn with me one-on-one and watch me trade live, we have our community StockMate. This is including everything you need to know about how to invest on Robinhood. And you can also see that there's a lot of other investors and entrepreneurs that are in this network of the community. Of course, you can get started in the second link in the description, and it has a ton of value for you to be able to get in with a $200 off coupon right now. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.